If you're looking to source products effectively, JungleScout's Supplier database is a powerful tool that can help streamline your product sourcing process. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to use it to find the best suppliers for your business, so stick around till the end because I'll also share an exclusive bonus for new users. Now, JungleScout's Supplier database gives you access to a massive directory of vetted suppliers and manufacturers across different industries. If you're new to sourcing, this tool helps you skip the trial and error of finding reliable suppliers. With access to thousands of suppliers from all over the world, it gives you the ability to compare prices, production capabilities, and more, all in one place. To get started, you simply head over to the JungleScout Supplier database, where you can filter suppliers based on criteria like minimum order quantities, location, and the type of products they specialize in. Whether you're looking for suppliers in China or closer to home, the filtering system narrows down your options, saving you tons of time. One of the biggest benefits of the Supplier database is that it gives you visibility into verified supplier data. Unlike other platforms, this data is gathered and validated, meaning you get access to real suppliers who have a proven track record. You can view detailed information about each supplier, including their top-selling products, production capacity, and export experience. This level of transparency helps you make better informed decisions when selecting who to work with. What's even more valuable is JungleScout's ability to let you track product demand and competition within the supplier database. When you see which suppliers are providing trending products, you can decide whether that's a viable product for your business. With data-driven insights, you can align your sourcing strategy with market trends, reducing your risk of investing in slow-moving inventory. Another feature that sets JungleScout apart is the ability to view past transactions and historical data of suppliers. This gives you a clear understanding of a supplier's performance and whether they've been consistently delivering high-quality products over time. This feature alone saves you hours of vetting suppliers manually. The supplier database also allows you to reach out to suppliers directly through the platform. This makes initiating contact and getting quotes much faster and more efficient, cutting down on unnecessary communication. Plus, the database's interface is incredibly user-friendly, so even if you're new to sourcing, you can navigate the platform with ease. As you're exploring the supplier database, you might also want to use it in tandem with other JungleScout tools, like their Product Tracker and Keyword Scout. These tools, when used together, provide a comprehensive approach to sourcing, tracking, and scaling your products in a competitive market. For those wondering how to get started, this tool is available to you for free through the exclusive link in the description. But it's not just about free access. This link also includes additional bonuses that will help you maximize JungleScout's potential from the get-go. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to scale, these tools are designed to make your sourcing process easier and more efficient. So, to recap, JungleScout's supplier database is your shortcut to finding reliable, vetted suppliers quickly, saving you time and effort in the sourcing process. With its transparent data, easy-to-use interface, and powerful filtering capabilities, it's a must-have for anyone serious about scaling their business. And remember, if you want to access this powerful tool, you can get started for free using the link below, along with an extended trial and exclusive bonuses to ensure you get the most out of your experience. Thanks for watching, and happy sourcing.